abstract ideas inspired by various mind-altering substances. Clearly. So really, you have an art. You really brought some art to this, right?
Yeah, we're really trying. We try to push not only like contemporary abstraction, but also have it culminate into an open space environment that you can freely fly around and get almost the feeling of the freedom of flight. A big part of Entwined is the music itself. So it's really,
which you can't really hear.
Yeah, you should definitely try the game listening with the headphones.
The whole game is a flow. The whole game is a flow, and be able to play with Switch game, you have to let your body go with the flow and just enjoy the music and the art and everything combined together. Just bring it into
The story here is you start as a bird and a fish become a dragon.
Yeah.
And what happens at the end? Without giving a spoiler away.
You're gonna have to play and see what happens at the end.
This was actually done at Carnegie Mellon. Most of this work, or this was?
This was done at Sony, and this is done by the Pixel Opus team, which is a part of Sony.
Okay.
The incubation program started like 2 years ago, and this game actually, when we finished the incubation program, I will come to Sony as a full-time employee, and we work on this game. We start working on this game.
It's actually out. It's actually out right now, and we were lucky enough to have a unique experience in that we announced on the E3 stage, and the game is available at the same time. So the game is $9.99. It's actually cross-buy, and it'll be coming out. It's out right now on the PS4, but in about a month it'll be out on the PS3 and the Vita at the same time. So,
well, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. It's great to see the game. Yeah.